You're watching Hot Facts with Robert Reese.
People, check this out. You would not believe this. Hot Facts with Robert Reese. You guys know I try to bring you guys everything classic whenever I get a chance to see. I came across a beauty right here. We're about to learn about this car right now. First of all, I'm Robert Reese, Hot Facts with Robert Reese. I love the truck. Can you guys tell me a little bit about this thing here?
Yes, sir. This is the 1952 Chevy pickup. I got it from the bottom to the top. And I used it starting like 8 years ago. 8 years it took you to take it. Yeah, that's fast.
So from the bottom to the top, and I know the parts, you got to order those things in and wait, all that stuff.
No, this is original thing. They just re-chrome it.
They just re-chrome it.
Come around it.
Yeah, and any chance you can pop the hood by any chance? Oh wow. Oh wow. Nice. Nice. Nice.
What size? It's 194. 194.
Let me get over here really quick.
Get those, man.
194? How long did it take you to like for some of the parts, you know, how long did it take for some of these parts for you to be able to get them to then be able to start doing your thing? Because, you know, sometimes you got to wait.
Yeah, like few months.
Well, he works at a garage. He has his own garage. So.
Where's your garage? Shout it out.
This is my house.
Oh, your house?
Yeah, my house.
Your house?
Hey, no, that's how you do it. You save that overhead. Oh yeah. Look at the tires. Nice truck. Let me get this all the way around right here.
He says come inside.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Oh, nice.
Nah, he all right. Nah, he all right because look, he all right. No, he all right. Everything right here.
It's 56.
Everything is original in here. And people, you know we Raider fans in here.
Yeah,
you know we Raider fans all day, every day. We Raider fans, people.
That's right.
Nice. Everything original in here. Man, 1950.